Under normal riding conditions, this is what my cockpit looks like. I've got, of course, my speedometer key. I got my smartphone mount holding my map, and I have these two brackets here, which are not part of the regular CRF setup. I put these here specifically to hold the map box. So when I join a map rally, this is what it will look like. I have this strange contraption here, and it has a Trail Tech Endurance 2 mounted to it, and I need that as an odometer and speedometer. Okay, now I've got it mounted to the bike. There's the map box and my Trail Tech, my phone. You can see my cockpit is actually significantly different from what it was before. One reason I have the Trail Tech is that I can't see the original factory speedometer anymore. The other reason is that I need to be able to adjust the distance that I've traveled on the fly. This map box was made out of a bento box, which means it's a lunch box. You would usually use it in Japan to put your food in when you take it to work. And then I added some handles to it and posts inside to hold the map. And in this case, I have a map right here. This map is for an old rally. So let me set up the map inside the map box. Okay, I got the map set up. It's set up here in the box, and you gotta scroll through to follow the map. And you can see there's a whole bunch of weird illustrations that show where you need to go, and there's some numbers, and I'll explain them as we go. I got my bike all ready. I got my map box on there. I got the bag on the back. I got some drinks. I think I'm ready to go. I need to get to my starting point, and then I'll show you what's going on. What I'd like to do is walk you through what they call rally touring or map rally. So this is my map for the map rally, and we are at the start point right here, and that means we are going to have to go 0.22 to a turn where we're going to bust a really tight left, and then we're going to go straight past the gas station and Touratech, and then we're going to go past the 7-Eleven. So I will take you through the trip as we go along. Here we go on map tour. So one of the important things is to make sure that you have reset. You want it to be 0 and 0 because that's where we're starting. And of course, for safety, I gotta throw my gloves on. Here we go. Alright, at 0.22 I want to make a tight left. So you can see 0.1 and 0.2. So now we're at a sign where there's a culture center and some traffic signals in front of us. So here we go, busting a very tight left. At 0.46, we should see Touratech and a gas station. 0.4, we see Touratech on one side, gas station on the other. Next, we are looking for 2.52. I think this is it right here. 252. There's a small street that goes off to the side to the right there. Yes, and we're good to go. Atsugi Hambara 412. And we passed 252, so now 342 is my next stop. It should be 900 meters from the place I just turned at. 3.0, 3.1, 2, and here I should see Aoyama, and I want to go straight. Aoyama. Oh, Aoyama on the sign, I see it. And that is 412, but I want to keep going straight. So we're good to go. A lot of bikes out today, that's awesome. A nice NSR too. 6.2. Another popular place for people to stop off. But 879 after Agipong is my turn. Ooh, busy today. So what it says here is reset 14.5, 14.5. So I'm at 14.7. I want to hold this down. 14.7, 6.5. Okay, we're reset. And 0.12, that's this one. I'm not going this way, I'm going this way. So we're still on course. Alright. 18.8 is my next one. There's a sign at the corner and a mirror on the other side, so this is it. We want to turn here. cherry blossoms. Alright, that's 21, and we are left and a left. And we are at the shrine, so 21.56. Next is 22.77. We got 1.21 kilometers to go from here. Let's go. So when it comes to rallies in Japan, my understanding is that most of them tend to be touring rallies, because a lot of them use the public roads like I'm doing right now. So you can't really race legally on a public road. I think the event itself, the event organizers themselves, would probably get into some legal trouble if they called it a race. Maybe some of the off-road ones, like pure off-road mountain courses, might be races. 24.2, here we go, that's it right here. 24.2. Next, 25.8. So it's a bunch of people who are kind of like-minded in a way. They all want to have an adventure together, kind of controlled environment with a known course and a way to contact all the people involved to make sure that everyone is accounted for in the beginning and the end. The event I'm going to join in April consists of 200 kilometer course around southern Chiba, and there will be about 150 people riding. 25.86, this is it right here, and 26.9, so another 1.11 kilometers. $36.8. Can we make it up? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, my glasses are so fogged up right now. And I am having so much trouble getting traction going up this mountain. Okay, there we go. So this gate is actually technically here, I think. There's the sign, and it says absolutely close the gate. So there's a no illegal dumping sign right there. And then coming up, it's going to be a viewpoint. So I need to reset to 3810. It says 38.8 right now. Let me reset. 3810. Alright, we're good. 39.4. 39.3. I did that bend. 39.46. Go past the houses. Should be a curved road that connects up to this one, where I'm gonna turn left. Maybe that's it right here. And then here, I'm going left. Alright. 40.54, next 43.13. I'm okay for gas for now, but I want to get gas one more time. Okay, I'm looking for a mirror, a bridge, and then a double mirror after the bridge. I can turn right. Mirror, a bridge, double mirror after the bridge, and a turn right. This is what I'm looking for. 62.7. There will be a road that merges with us. And keep going straight around the bend. 63.33. There we go. 7-Eleven. Here's a double mirror and a double sign. Alright, 89.63. Right around the corner here, we have a viewpoint. Stop sign, turn right. Going uphill. Big sign in front of me. Big sign in front of me, turn right. $95.52. Just past the hot spring, the road goes right or left, and I need to go left. Is that right? Hot spring, 95. This way goes into the hot spring, and then this way is the way I need to go. Okay. Okay. There's a bridge and a sign. I want to turn this way. And then I guess I have to go this way, right? Yes. All right. $99.21. Next 103. Interesting. It's so bright. 103.23, four-way intersection, I'm turning right. Beautiful. 104.6, we got the gas station. 105.53, intersection, and keep going straight.